If you've been scrolling YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram lately, chances are you've seen an ad for an AI tool called ToonBee, promising cartoon-style videos generated from nothing but a text prompt, one-time payment, lifetime access, no subscriptions. Sounds great, right? But before you pull out your card, I wanted to actually dig into this thing. What it does, what it doesn't do, and a few things buried in the fine print that the sales page won't tell you. So, in this video, I'm covering exactly what ToonBee is, walking through the features, giving you the honest pros and cons, breaking down the real pricing, add-ons included, and telling you exactly who this tool is actually a good fit for, and who should skip it. Let's get into it. What is ToonBee? So what exactly is ToonBee? ToonBee is marketed as an AI-powered cartoon video generator, a text-to-cartoon video platform. The idea is simple. You type a description or a story idea, and the platform generates cartoon-style scenes, characters, and animation around it. According to the official terms, ToonBee lets users generate custom cartoon videos, animations, and images on demand. It also gives access to a pre-built content library, commercial usage rights, several export formats, and customization options for characters and scenes. It's a cloud-based platform. Nothing to install. Works from any device with a browser. There's no free trial, but it is covered by a money-back guarantee, which I'll break down properly later because, spoiler, it's not as simple as 60 days, no questions asked. The pitch is aimed at creators, marketers, educators, and small businesses who want cartoon-style content without hiring an animator, a voice artist, or an editor. And on paper, that's an attractive pitch. Video production is expensive and slow. A tool that replaces animation, voiceover, and editing in one dashboard is exactly what a lot of solo creators are looking for. But, and this is important, on paper and in practice aren't always the same thing. So let's actually look at what's inside. Phase 1. Features. Let's go through what you actually get inside ToonBee. 1. Prompt to video generation. You type in a scene description or story idea, and the AI builds out a cartoon scene. Characters, background, basic animation. This is the core engine of the whole platform. 2. Character library and customization. There's a library of pre-built cartoon-style characters and assets you can drop into scenes, plus customization options so your videos don't all look identical. 3. Lip sync and narration. You can add speech to your characters, and the platform will sync mouth movement to audio. Based on user feedback, this feature works, but it's one of the areas where quality is inconsistent from clip to clip. 4. Voice options. There's a base narration option and a separate voice pack add-on that unlocks more voice variety. That's an extra cost on top of the core purchase, which we'll get to in the pricing section. 5. Captions. Captions are also not baked into the base plan. They're sold separately as a captions add-on. 6. Export and formats. Once your video is done, you can export it for use on YouTube, social platforms, or client delivery, with commercial usage rights included on paid plans. 7. Credit-based system. Every generation, video, image, scene, consumes credits from your account. This is the part you really need to understand before buying, because it connects directly to both your usage limits and your ability to get a refund. More on that shortly. 8. Cloud-based, no install. Everything runs in the browser. You don't need a powerful computer or any rendering software installed locally. So feature for feature, it's a fairly complete AI video pipeline, script idea in, cartoon video out, with narration and captions layered on as paid extras. What the actual workflow looks like. Let me walk you through what happens step by step, because this is where a lot of the "is it actually easy" question gets answered. You start with a prompt, a short description of the scene or story you want. The platform breaks that down into scenes, and for each scene, it generates a background, one or more characters, and a rough sequence of actions. From there, you can swap characters from the library, adjust the background, and add dialogue. If you add narration, you either type the script and let the built-in voice read it, or use an add-on voice for more variety. The lip sync engine then tries to match mouth movement to that audio. This is the step where reviewers report the most inconsistency. Sometimes it lines up well, sometimes it's slightly off, especially on longer lines of dialogue. Once you're happy with a scene, you stitch scenes together into a full video and export. The whole loop, prompt, generate, tweak, export, is genuinely faster than traditional animation software. But it's not a one-click magic button. Expect to regenerate a scene 2 or 3 times before it looks the way you pictured it, and each regeneration burns credits. That's worth keeping in mind for the pricing section later. Now, let's get into whether it's actually good. Phase 2. The pros. Let's start with what ToonBee does well, based on both my own look at the platform and the pattern across verified user reviews. Pro number 1. Genuinely beginner-friendly. Multiple users specifically call out how easy the interface is compared to traditional animation or editing software. You don't need any video editing background to get a result on screen. Pro number 2. Fast workflow for simple content. For quick animated explainers, social clips, or story-style videos, the prompt-to-scene workflow is noticeably faster than building something manually in traditional animation tools. Pro number 3. Strong, responsive customer support. This comes up again and again in reviews. Support response times are fast, and issues tend to get resolved. For a software product, that's a meaningful trust signal because a lot of AI tools in this space have terrible support. Pro number 4. One-time payment option. Instead of a recurring subscription, there's a one-time payment tier for lifetime access. Appealing if you're tired of stacking monthly software subscriptions. Pro number 5. Real refund policy exists. Unlike a lot of sketchy AI tool sites, ToonBee actually has a documented refund process, a support portal, and clear terms pages. That alone puts it ahead of a lot of too-good-to-be-true software launches. Pro number 6. Legitimate use case range. Reviewers report using it for things like animated story videos, meditation intro slides, children's content, and educational explainers. So the range of use cases is real, not just marketing copy. That's the upside. Now here's where you need to slow down. The cons. Con number 1. Unlimited doesn't mean unlimited. This is the single biggest thing to understand. The official terms state that unlimited refers to normal individual use, not industrial scale, automated, or heavy commercial use. If you generate a high volume of content, you can run into soft caps, lower queue priority, cooldowns, or feature restrictions. If you're an agency or planning bulk client output, that unlimited badge on the sales page is not the guarantee it sounds like. Con number 2. Refund eligibility is tied to credit usage. There is a money-back guarantee, but it only applies if you've used less than half of your allocated credits. Cross that 50% threshold while testing the tool, and you lose refund eligibility because the product is considered substantially delivered. If the interface doesn't make your credit usage obvious, it's easy to burn through that threshold without realizing it. Con number 3. Core price doesn't include everything. The advertised entry price does not include voice variety or captions. Both are separate paid add-ons, so the real cost of a fully featured setup is higher than the headline number on the sales page. Con number 4. Inconsistent quality. Reviews mention inconsistent image generation, occasional glitches, and lip sync that isn't always reliable. For casual content, this may not matter. For client-facing professional work, it's a real risk. Con number 5. Company transparency is a bit murky. Independent reviewers noted that the official terms and the cookie policy reference 2 different company names as the operator of the platform. That's not automatically a red flag. Companies sometimes split development, operations, and payment processing across entities, but for a product asking for a card payment, it's the kind of detail that should be crystal clear. And here it isn't. Con number 6. It's a young platform. The domain and product are only a few months old at the time of this review. That's not disqualifying on its own, but Lifetime access from a brand new company always carries more long-term uncertainty than from an established platform with a multi-year track record. Con number 7. Aggressive discount/urgency marketing. Big percentage off discounts and act now language are standard in this niche. But it's worth remembering that urgency framing is designed to reduce careful thinking, not to help you make a better buying decision. So, real product, real use cases, real fans in the reviews, but also real fine print that changes how unlimited and 60-day refund should actually be read. What actual users are saying. I also went through the verified reviews on Trustpilot to see how this plays out for real buyers, not just the sales page. On the positive side, one recurring theme is support quality. Multiple users describe the AI-assisted support as fast and accurate, with human follow-up when needed, and problems getting fully resolved. Several also mention the interface being clean and beginner-friendly compared to other AI video tools they've tried. One user who bought the unlimited credits package described making a full animation music video, plus several meditation intros and children's stories, around 15 videos total, and being happy with the result relative to the yearly cost. That's a genuinely positive, high-usage data point. On the negative side, the complaints cluster around a few specific things. The meaning of unlimited, not matching expectations, occasional inconsistency in image generation, and, this one shows up more than once, frustration when a refund isn't available because credit usage had already crossed the eligibility line. There's also a smaller number of complaints about the platform simply not delivering value for the money once someone hit the upsell wall. The overall pattern is a rating in the high 3-star range out of 5, with real satisfied users and real frustrated ones. That's actually a healthier signal than either all 5-star reviews or all 1-star reviews. It suggests a real product with real variance in outcomes, largely tied to how each person used it. How does ToonBee compare to alternatives? It's worth putting ToonBee in context, because it's not the only AI cartoon or animation tool on the market right now. Compared to full-featured animation suites, ToonBee is faster to learn, but gives you less fine-grained control. You're generating scenes, not hand-animating frame by frame. If you need precise creative control over every movement, a traditional tool will serve you better, at the cost of a much steeper learning curve and higher time investment. Compared to other AI-first video generators, ToonBee's specific strength is the cartoon and character-driven style, plus the one-time payment option. Most competitors in this space run on a monthly subscription model instead. The trade-off is the credit system and the fair use limits we already covered, which subscription-based competitors sometimes structure differently. If you're mainly comparing on price, remember to compare the realistic total, core plan plus voice plus captions, against a competitor's full monthly price over the time you'd actually use it. A one-time payment can still work out cheaper over a year or two, but only if the fair use limits don't force you into an upgrade first. Pricing breakdown. Here's roughly what you're looking at checkout. Core plan, around $67, listed with a steep discount off the original price. Voice pack add-on, roughly $37 extra for expanded voice/narration options. Captions add-on, roughly $27 extra. So if you want the full experience, video generation, expanded voices, and captions, you're realistically closer to $130, not the $67 headline number. There's also an unlimited credits upgrade path for heavier users, priced separately, which several reviewers mention using for higher volume projects. Before you buy, screenshot the checkout page, the price, and every add-on shown, and read the refund policy yourself rather than trusting the sales page summary. Who is ToonBee actually for? Let's land this. ToonBee is a good fit if you're a hobby creator, small YouTuber, or educator making occasional cartoon-style content. You want a fast way to prototype animated explainer videos. You're comfortable with AI generation trial and error to get good prompts. You understand the credit system and plan to test carefully, without maxing it out on day one. ToonBee is probably not a good fit if you need guaranteed, studio quality, consistent character animation for client deliverables. You're planning high-volume, agency-style, bulk content production. You expect the base $67 price to include voice and captions. You want a fully mature platform with years of track record behind the lifetime promise. So that's ToonBee, genuinely useful for light, casual cartoon video creation, backed by decent support and a real refund process, but sold with unlimited and discount language that oversells what you actually get for the base price. If you want to try it, I'll drop the link in the description. And if you found this review useful, hit subscribe. I break down tools like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.